Hi guys, hello, welcome back to Russo Model Channel. How are you today? Tam. The body preparation of this amazing wonderful kit, guys. Alpha model. I love it so much. Today we will focus on the body. I will give you my tips. I will show you how I handle with the parts, how I prepare the body for painting. People ask me what I'm doing. So first, take it, go and wash it with soap and water from the oil resin, and it will be ready for painting. But after that, it's not ready until it's ready. So let's do what I'm doing today together with me. I will dip the line, I will sand little bit the card, I will wash it again, and you will see everything. So let's start. I hope that you enjoy, guys. Also Model Channel, the last project on this lab. Remember, the next project will be in new lab, and you will see what I'm capable to do. Bye bye. Let's start. Yes, okay guys, so what we first thing to do is, as I tell you, to wash it. After that I use this amazing tool, guys, this amazing tool, a TAMIYA engrave. I use a 0.2. They have a variation of many colors. Some people do it with a knife, the back of the knife. I think it's more safe to do it with the right tool, so buy this tool, guys. I know it's a little bit expensive because this knife, it's wow, amazing tool, and you will work with it and you will see. But I want to show you how I do it, guys. Okay, so first of all, when you use this tool, be accurate and try to do it when you're inside the groove. Okay, first put the knife inside the groove and then take little bit material out. That's all. Okay, all the time focus. If you have some hard point of hard area, use your finger, and you can do it also in rounding. Okay, do it in steps. Take little bit material in rounding place, switch it and move to another place little bit until you give all the fuel cap over there. Okay, and why we will do it? Why we will do it? Why? Because after the layer of paint, sometimes the paint destroyed the lines, the deeper, and you can use the panel lines to create the shadow between the parts. If you see a real car, they have shadow between the parts because it's not fully closed, it's two parts. So it means that you need to engrave the parts, and it's very important to make it. And after that, you will use this amazing tool and practice about this tool, guys. It's not a magic. Try to do it very slowly. Try to find a way to work with it. Don't put pressure when you inside the groove. Don't put pressure. Let it flow. Okay, let it flow. Just look how much easy is it. Let it flow. I not put a pressure at all. Okay, try it all the time. Come with angles and it will be fantastic. Easy. I want you to do it, guys, because it's very important for the second steps that you need to make some paint inside and let it flow. So it's very important to see these lines. Okay, and also it's very nice because it's create the shadow between the parts, and it's make it look really nice, not like other kits or other brand that make it. So until now everybody understand. The second step that I do, I take a 600 by TAMIYA sanding sponge, it's bending, and start give a small area of scribing, sanding, for all the body. I want a better stick for the primer, so this is why I do it. And if I have some unnecessary material over there, it will remove it, and I will get the same result with a good stick for the primer. And it's very important because sometimes you want to mask and paint in two-tone color. As you can see over there, we need to mask it this area and paint in black. And if I not sand it little bit, I will put a mask, and after that it will destroy the primer. So you don't want to build model and after that to peel off the paint, and it's pain. It's pain for the people that give a lot of attention to the model, and in the end you need to do it again and again and again. So I save you time, guys. Just do it like I do it. I will not move all the deep all the lines because I think you understand how I make it. Try to make it in 3 or 4 times and it will be awesome. Okay, guys. The second thing that I want to talk about preparing the body is preparing the parts that connect to the body, because it's alpha model kit, it's not a TAMIYA kit. If you build a TAMIYA kit, you know that you don't need to measure and test and fit parts because they make perfectly things. But in alpha model kits, you all the time need to make a test fit, and this is what we will do now. Okay, first of all, let's test fit the mirror. People ask me how I cut parts from resin. First of all, I take the big piece out, okay, and now it's more handy to cut it directly in the place. Okay, look, easy. Okay, easy. Okay, now all you need to do, it's verify it's go inside, and if it's not going inside, you need to drill the hole little bit. Oh, it's get inside perfect. Okay, the mirror, guys. So this is good tip for you guys. Yes, it's fit perfectly over there and also over there. I don't need to do nothing. One thing that I can tell you about alpha model, if you build some place sometime in the past alpha model kits, they approve a lot, they listen to me. I send them a lot of feedback because I build a lot of alpha model kits, and they approve a lot, and they make fantastic job with the bodies. If I all the time tell them about the clear parts to make it more nice and real, but the clear parts, if you know how to make it, and we will make a part of the clear parts, so it will be very nice and easy. Let's make a test fit for the headlights. Okay, I need to sand it a little bit. Do you enjoy this channel, guys? This is very important for the people that want to learn, really learn how to build models. Okay, let's make a test fit. This is this other side. Okay, they sit perfectly. Okay, as you can see, with the angle of the car, fantastic. Yes, one more part that I want to put, it's over there. It's a piece that I want to test before I paint and everything. Remember, I cut from this area over there, and after that I come. It's more handy to cut it now. Okay, look, very easy. Okay, now we will take a file, sanding stick, to make sure it's flat, and just I want to give a try to see if it's fit perfectly over there. guys. Do you see? I need to drill it a little bit, so I will take a drill. I drill the hole over there. And I will make a test fit again. This is why I talk about testing fit. Because if you paint and after that need to drill, you take the risk it will not be perfect. Yes, now it's good. Okay, everybody understand what I'm talking about? It's very important, people, to make it right and good and make a test fit for all the part. If you can make test fit for all the part, it's better. If you don't rush when you build the models, don't rush, guys. Do it right, do it good. Yes, here it's also okay. I think that I will glue it. I need to little bit drill it over there. I will glue it, and after that I I will mask it and paint in black. I think it's more cool way to make it. Yes, let's make a test fit again. Yes, now it's perfect. Okay, everybody understand about test fit, guys, because after the painting it's not easy. It's easy, yes, but it's give you more work, and all the time about the spoiler. Make a test fit, verify everything okay before you paint and do something. Make a test fit. For you guys, it will help you a lot. Also about this mount for the wheels, I will cut it and see if the wheels fit perfectly, and I love the result. Let's take this one with the wheels. Okay, I will put the wheels and verify it first if it's fit perfectly, guys. Do you see it? You have the right gap. You have the right gap. Yes, it's look fantastic. Look the gap. Okay, maintain the gap. Sometimes you will get it like that, so you need to make a test fit. Okay, for me it's look good. Let's see the other wheel, the front. As you can see, yes, I have also the right gap, and I'm happy with the result. Yes, more or less, guys. I hope that you understand what I'm talking about. It's not only the preparation of the body, it's also the test fit for the parts, and it's very important, because sometimes when you build the models and you make something and after that it's not a fit, you very angry about it, and so I will save you time and also money. Okay, one more thing that people ask me about it. After you sand all the body of the car and you have inside the groove some resin sanding, so what you can do is take a piece of sanded paper and put inside and remove all the material from the groove, and it will be very clean and nice. Okay, do you see what I'm doing? And now you will see, or do you see it? All this out. Yes, fantastic. I love it. Also over there, I will make it. Do you see the material go out? I don't know if you can see with the light, but the material go out. And it's very important, guys. Yes, I'm ready for painting. You see how much easy is it? No, I'm not ready. I need to engrave more parts, but I will do it alone. I will see you next time with the primer and also the base color in the same part. Maybe you ask which kind of color we will use. Wait and see, guys. I promise you, very nice color for this amazing car. Okay, see you next time, guys. Short part for you. I hope that the next one will be very long for the people that love a long video, but it's not about the time, it's about the knowledge and the tips that I can give for you. I hope that you enjoy, guys. Rosso Model channel. Let's paint this amazing body. But wait for next Friday. Bye bye, Russell Model Channel.